Ways that technology can solve SDG issues. So the first SDG issue that I chose to use was zero hunger. This was something that I think that the world can easily eliminate with this technology advances that we have, and the fact that it is a big issue that affects many people. You know, I don't think anybody should starve to death or go hungry without having it. So SDG issue number 2, world hunger. Why does it matter? A profound change of global food and agriculture system is needed to nourish 800 million people that are hungry today. And again, I chose to use Zero Hunger, which is a World Hunger Initiative. The number of people who suffer from world hunger has increased since 2015. And I think since 2015, we had a lot of advances in technology. And this isn't something that should be increasing, it's something that should be decreasing. So I think that is something we need to keep an eye on and look at how different countries look to eliminate those problems, and then to see where those problems are at mostly in the world. Okay, so facts about zero hunger. The world is not on track to achieve this by 2030. And again, it's been on the increase since 2015. So this is a 15-year plan that it's not gonna meet the numbers. Again, according to the World Food Program, 135 million suffer from acute hunger, largely due to man-made conflicts with climate change and economic downturns. And, you know, for a society, a world society that's looking to be carbon net zero by 2030 in a lot of countries, you know, that's one of the man-made conflicts that we can look to change, and we should see this world hunger number go down a lot sooner than 2030, but I don't think we'll see that change. So what's the problem? The agriculture system needs to be changed. Again, looking at, you know, how we produce food and ways that we can increase production but be more efficient and sustainable. Again, carbon neutrality is a big thing for most developed first world countries, and the country I chose to use is one of those first world countries. So we'll look to see a worldwide increase by 2050, and again, a lot of those man-made issues would hopefully be solved by then. So this is one way that we can look to end the perils of hunger. Okay, how to solve the problem. So we can use technology to solve this problem. I think that IoT, Internet of Things, will be a great use of it. After learning about it the past week, we learned that it can be used to connect agriculture, to have better efficiency, connecting big data between farming and farm equipment. And this doesn't require new technology, so you can connect Internet of Things to old technology and new technology. So I think that is something that most countries have access to and will be able to use, which is one of the big highlights that I wanted to kind of focus on. So a lot of technologies that smaller third world countries don't have the access to, but IoT, you can connect old data with the new data, and you can be more efficient in creating this food production. Again, the country that I chose to use was Germany, so focusing on Germany, and this has been one of their largest things that they wanted to do. So Germany has engaged for many years in a fight for global hunger. It has strengthened food systems in the world, the second largest donor of humanitarian food assistance. So this issue is, this SDG issue is something that Germany has looked to solve and tackle over many years. This isn't something that the country suffers from, but they are being more humanitarian activists to, you know, solve the world problem outside of the country. So that's it for the video. Thank you for your time.